This is a tutorial of how to use NetHub VPN. First is open the application. Wait for loading the screen. Okay. At this time, you can join our Telegram channel to get updated the server about our apps is working or no. Okay, before we proceed to next level, check the configuration is the latest or not. Okay, let's check. Just click the update button. Okay, this is updated. So guys, at this time you can select what type of protocol you need. At this time I need a OpenVPN server. This is my server area in the Philippines. Let's try to connect OpenVPN protocol. Just choose the server, choose the payload, then start, click start. Okay, that is connected. Let's check our UDP. Okay, UDP. The server is separated from OpenVPN to UDP. Okay, let's start. Let's click if is connected. Okay, it's connected. So as of now, guys, you can check the logs if the server is connected properly, like this. Yeah. And you can back button at your cell phone. This is battery mode. You Let's check the battery mode. Okay, click the battery mode and click start. Just wait and yan, connected.